Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use hostid command in Linux. So hostid command is a simple Linux command that will print the numeric identifier of the current host. So this is useful. The way I look around why this command or how can we use this command. Usually, this command is needed if for a specific application that use license that um, tied to a specific host, so they want to get the host ID, so your license will tie to a specific computer, specific desktop or server, so they will visually the software provider will requesting the host ID of your computer. So to get the host ID from the terminal, we can use the command host ID. So it will print the numeric identifier of the current host. So this is the only thing that this command do. So if we check the manual page host ID, sorry, it only have two default options, which is help and version. So if we also see the info host ID, so the only option that it accept is help and version. Okay, and we can test the option, of course. Let's try host ID help, and let me clear, then host ID version. So this is the version of the GNU core utils, which host ID is part of. So this is not the specific version of the host ID, but the version of GNU core util instead. So that's it for the host ID command in Linux. Hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the How to Dojo channel. Share and like this video if you found this video useful. Leave a comment on what tutorial that you want to be created in this channel. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.